Hello everyone. To load the Live Plus source, click on this button and then in the video source, select the Live Plus source. After that, it will pop up a QR code and directory ID for you to connect. Use your phone to open the Visual Mobilecast application, then click on Live Plus connection and scan the QR code that displays on your VJDirector. You can download the application on App Store or Google Play Store. When it is connected, it will display your phone right here. And then select the phone and click OK. After that, OK. So it will display what your phone captured on the channel. That's it. Thanks for watching and hope you guys enjoy the video.